Hello, let's see how our little ones learn about shapes with fun and lovely games.
Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of shapes. Teaching shapes at a young age is so important for a child's development. It's not just about circles and squares, it's about building their brain power. Let's see how our little ones are learning through play. Look at our LKG stars. They are busy with the block challenge. They are identifying shapes and working together so beautifully to place each block in its right spot. And look, even our tiny playgroup babies are joining in. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Now check out our UKG champions. This is the jump and match game. They have to find the shape and jump right onto it. It's all about focus and energy. Our LKG kids were watching the big kids play and they just could not resist joining the fun. Look at those happy faces. Pure magic. We are using flour and shapes to spark their creativity. The kids sprinkle flour, lift the shape, and voila, the pattern appears. It's a wonderful sensory activity that helps wake up their little minds. We also bring technology into the classroom. Using digital tools makes learning so much more interactive. You can see how focused and excited the children are to explore shapes on the screen. Who says learning has to be boring? Sitting in a chair all day is old school. Activities like these give our children a sense of freedom and pure joy. When they are happy, they learn best. Thanks for watching our shape adventure today.